Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we're going to be showing you this Ryobi power drill. This is model P271. This is the brushed model. The brushed tools are generally much cheaper. So I'll put a link in the description on where you could buy a drill like this. This one's a little bit older. I don't think they sell this one anymore, but they sell very comparable brushed models that are relatively cheap. You could usually pick them up for under 50 bucks. Which these drills are good for your average homeowner that's not going to be using it every single day. Professionals like to use the brushed or the brushless models just because they last longer and they're more powerful. But for a homeowner, these brushed tools are perfectly fine. They're going to last you a long time, and they're going to save you a lot of money. So we'll just go over this drill and we'll show you all the features, and then we'll give you a quick demonstration of it. So the first thing we'll show you is how to remove and reinstall the battery. So to do that, there's a little gray button here, and on the other side here, you just press those both in at the same time and pull out. And then that's how you remove the battery. And then to reinsert it, you just line up the grooves and just push it in till you hear a click. Okay, so now our battery's installed. And then moving up the tool, this is our trigger. This is our reverse and forward. So when we have this button pushed in, the drill's going to go in forward. And then when we push this button in, the drill's going to go in reverse. And then you can see we have a little bit holder here. And then there's also a little level bubble up here. And then these right here, this is a 2-speed drill. So right there, it's in speed 1. And then right here, we're in speed 2. And then these settings right here, you can see the numbers were worn off, but these numbers go from, this would be number 1 all the way down here. And then as you rotate it this way, it increases your torque. So these are all your torque settings, and it goes all the way up. There's 8. It goes all the way up to 24, which would be your highest torque setting. And then to remove and reinstall the bit, I'll show you that. So this right here is called a keyless chuck. And to remove this bit, you just want to rotate this keyless chuck this way, and that's going to loosen the clamps. So you can see it loosens up, and then as you twist it this way, it tightens. So we would put our bit back in, tighten it down, and then you just want to readjust your bit, make sure your bit is in there properly and it's seated properly. And then you just tighten it down. So now we'll just show you a quick demonstration on this tool. And like I said, these aren't going to perform as good as the brushless models. Ryobi makes brushless tools. DeWalt, Milwaukee, they all make brushed and brushless. And they're kind of, the brushed are for homeowners, for people that aren't going to be using them every single day. And the brushless are more for professionals that use them every single day. So this is more on the homeowner side. So we'll show you what it looks like to drill through just a scrap piece of wood with a 3/16 bit on speed 1. And then I'll show you the difference between speed 1 and 2. So we're on speed 1, we're on forward. Okay, you can see we're through. And then to get the bit out, we're just going to press the reverse button in, reverse it out. Okay, so that was speed 1, and now we'll show you speed 2. Forward, and we're on the torque setting all the way up. So on this drill, it would be 24. A lot of them have different torque numbers, but this one goes up to 24, so we'll just use the highest torque setting for the video. So now we're on 2. And you can see how much faster that went through. And when you're using power drills, you don't need to apply a lot of force. You could pretty much just let the drill bit and let the drill do the work. Like right there, I didn't press down on the drill really at all. The drill bit grabs and it drills itself. So a lot of people make the mistake of pushing too hard, and you could burn out your bits doing that. You just want to let the drill bit do the work, especially with wood. And yeah, guys, that pretty much sums up this video on this Ryobi brushed cordless power drill, model number P271. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments. I'll also leave a link in the description and in the comments on where you can pick up a very similar drill to this. Like I said, it's not going to be this exact one, but it will be one that's very similar to this that Ryobi makes. So be sure to check the link for that if you're interested in picking one up. And yeah, guys, be sure to like the video, be sure to comment with any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more tool and DIY videos. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.